Hello, this is Stu Sensei once again, here to hit you up with today's phrase, which is chuffed. Chuffed. Now, chuffed is used when you want to tell someone how very pleased you are with something. For example, your favorite team has just won a soccer match and you're very pleased. You could say, I am very chuffed that my team has won this weekend. You could use the word dead. Dead basically means very in this situation, so it's very common for people to say, I'm dead chuffed that blah 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 has happened. Another example I can give you is if you have made an absolutely amazing dinner. First time you tried, you nailed it on the head. You can say, wow, I am dead chuffed with what I have made. It is awesome. Okay, great. I hope you loved today's phrase and I hope you can use it down below in the comments. So try your best. What are you dead chuffed about? Tell me down below. Have a great day. Look forward to seeing you next time. Ciao.